Welcome back to the MeasureSquare for Multi-Family tutorials. This video will walk you through how to generate a worksheet for your estimate of the rooms for this multi-family unit. Once you have the product laid out to the correct estimation, you will create a worksheet. Click on the Worksheet tab and then click on the new icon in the top left. Here you can select the type of worksheet and style. The style will dictate the style breakdown for your worksheet. By product, by room, by product trade, by product breakdown by area are the 4 options you can select through. Make sure your Import Project Estimation is selected. Click OK to generate the worksheet. Click on the Select columns to choose which information you want to display and check Save for future proposals to save this format for later use. Note the multiplier for the number of units we have duplicated is shown on the worksheet as well. Once your columns are set up, you can export the worksheet via Excel for a full breakdown of the worksheet. The option Print Form will allow you to print the worksheet in the PDF format. We can use the Printer and Settings button to modify the page size for any additional format or information display choices. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and tutorials for all MeasureSquare products.